So if I were to go around over here onto text and then let's say, for example, add a text right here, then I can go ahead and type in English. But let's say I want to go ahead and type in a different language right here. In that case, you can go around onto the file menu and then go to language right here. And here you can see that there's different languages that you can choose from right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and select out one language right here, just like this. And then you get that language right here. You can select the input method right here, just like this, and select this out. So now if I were to go ahead and type in something like, let's say, for example, if I were to go around and then type in something right here in Unicode, then this is what you have right here, just like this. Press enter, and then that language is entered out right here, just like this. I don't know this particular language, but this is what you have, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around onto other language as you like right here, just like this one, and then you can see that these are the options that you have right here, and then you can simply go ahead and type that in, and then you can see that this is how you can enter out language right here and enter out and type out contents in Unicode, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and type in different languages inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.